Hey everyone, are you ready to take control of your money and start building the life you've always dreamed of? Today, we're diving into how to budget like a pro in just a few simple steps. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just trying to stop living paycheck to paycheck, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, know your numbers. Take a close look at your income and expenses. Write down every source of income you have and list all your monthly expenses, including rent, groceries, utilities, and subscriptions. Don't forget those small purchases, they add up quickly. This step is all about getting a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, set financial goals. What are you budgeting for? Maybe it's saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off a credit card. Having specific goals will keep you motivated and make your budget more effective. Pro tip: break big goals into smaller milestones to make them feel more achievable. Now it's time to create your budget. A great place to start is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs like housing and bills, 30% to wants like dining out or entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. If you're feeling ambitious, try flipping those numbers: save more and spend less. It might be challenging at first, but the payoff is worth it. Tracking your spending is the key to sticking to your budget. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to monitor every dollar you spend. These tools can send you reminders and alerts if you're overspending in any category. Think of it as your financial accountability partner. Let's talk about cutting costs. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can save. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home more often, and shop smarter by looking for discounts or using cashback apps. Small changes can lead to big savings over time. Finally, don't forget to adjust your budget as needed. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses will pop up, or your income might change. Revisit your budget regularly and tweak it to stay on track. And remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about giving every dollar a purpose and building a better future for yourself. So, are you ready to start budgeting like a pro? Let us know in the comments what your financial goals are and how you plan to achieve them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more money management tips. See you next time.